Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can change your ringtone on your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. For that you want to go to your settings and now you want to scroll down to sound and vibration, and here you have a few things you can set. We have the media volume, call volume, and then we have the phone ringtone, and here we can simply select another one. And then choose the one we like by clicking on OK, and then you see that's set. And now if you get a call, and now if someone calls you, your new ringtone will appear. If we click here, we can also add a ringtone from our downloaded music. For example, if you have downloaded music, then you can add that as a ringtone as well. Then you can go back, then you can choose that and click on OK again to verify your new ringtone. If you make your settings, you can just go back, use your phone as normal, and then you will hear your ringtone if you get any calls. So that's really quick and easy how you can change your ringtone on your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.